Huh?
Go, hurry, Chloe.
There's no car, come on.
I don't see any cars. Daddy will tell you if there's a car.
I want to see it over.
Stand up. You're in the middle of the road. You better hurry. Turn around. Other way. Say hi, Evelyn.
I'll listen.
Ready? Come on. Go, go, go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Woo! Lean back a little bit. Wait for the camera. Wait for the camera.
Cole, you gotta flex. Gotta go.
Oh, look at those muscles. Look at that body. Say, look at that body.
I'm sexy and I know it.
No. No. No 4-year-olds can say that.
I'm handsome. I'm handsome and I know it.
Yeah,
Say, Caden says a lot of things we don't say.
I know it.
No, he say, I'm cute and I know it.
No, it's just Zach's like die-hard rock queen.
Can you try it again?
That's nothing to do with anything.
He's like, no 4-year-old should say that. I'm like, Caden says it. And he's like, yeah, 'cause you saw him. I'm like, no, Zach.
No, that's not what I said. I said, Caden says a lot of things that we don't allow Cole to say. Like, just a lot of things.
Snap. Right? No.
Anything.
Yeah, Cole can't say anything.
Here you go.
Different parents, different decisions.
Cole, you gotta look cool.
Woo! Okay, lean forward a little bit. Lean forward.
What?
Lean forward. Oh, not get off. She says lean forward.
I like how he thinks he's cool. He's like,
Good job, Cole. Woo!
hey, Heather. Heather.
Hmm?
That's the face he makes. He thinks he's so cool. He's like,
He is cool.